Hello, it's Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Time for an outdoor kitchen tournament. You decide which is the best one of all by your votes in the comments section. We're going to look at 25 different kitchens over the next couple of weeks. And you vote either A or B and determine which one is going to advance. Kind of like a March Madness, but for outdoor kitchens. So let's get started. Here we go. Round one, match one. We have two wonderful L-shaped kitchens. This first one, Kitchen A, has a big grill and a sink and a refrigerator and a little wine cooler even, and a raised counter for those bar stools. Has a nice concrete top with a stucco finish on the side. Kitchen B is a little bit smaller but a little bit more expensive materials. We have a polished concrete countertop, very slick, with this wonderful stone facade. And it still has a nice big grill, great for a small little backyard like this, and entertaining with the lights built in, and just, again, beautiful facade, beautiful craftsmanship. So here's what you do. Vote in the comment section, A or B. Which one you like best to advance to the next round? Which one you think you would like to have in your backyard? So make sure you vote A or B. Well, thanks for your voting, and stay tuned for more outdoor kitchen battles as we look through a whole lot of cool kitchens in the next couple of weeks. This is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.